In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and navigate Google Chat. This handy tool is great for keeping your communications streamlined and organized, whether for work or personal use. Let's dive right in and explore how this can be done seamlessly. First off, you'll want to head over to the Google Chat website. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar at the top, type in https://chat.google.com, then press Enter. This will take you directly to the Google Chat interface where you can access all your messages in one place. Once you have the Google Chat window open, your focus should be on locating the correct section to view your conversations. Direct your eyes to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various sections such as Chat, Rooms, or Spaces, depending on what version or updates you might have. For our purpose today, we are specifically interested in the Chat section. In this sidebar, there's a list called the Chat List. It's like your main hub for ongoing conversations. Now, pay attention here. If you have any pending chat requests, maybe someone new trying to reach out to you, you'll find a section labeled either Chat Requests or Invitations. This is where all incoming communication attempts land. To proceed, click on Chat Requests or Invitations, and this reveals all invites that are waiting for your response. You'll see several key details here: the name of the person who has sent you the invite, their email address, and even a preview of the message they sent. It's a good way to get a snapshot of who is reaching out and what they might want to discuss. Next, you get to decide if you'd like to accept or decline these invitations. If you choose to accept an invite, simply click Accept. This action opens a brand new chat window with the person and adds them to your chat list, making it easy for you to continue the conversation anytime. On the other hand, if the invite isn't something you're interested in, click Decline. Doing this will remove the invite from your list and block that particular chat request so they can't contact you again. Now, for those scenarios where you don't recognize the sender or suspect it's spam, there's an important step to safeguard your digital environment. Next to the invite, you'll notice a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this gives you the choice to block and report. By selecting this, you stop any future messages from that account and flag it to Google, helping fight against spam and keeping your chat space secure. And there you have it. That's how you can smoothly navigate through Google Chat invites. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful for managing your online communications more effectively.